and salutations from Seaworld. We are here to check out some of the Christmas celebration today. As you can see, I'm all Christmased out. Got my Christmas shirt, my Christmas hat. But we're here a little early, so let's go do some Christmas roller coaster riding. This first drop's a doozy. There we go. Alright, so we're here to try some of these Christmas treats they have here, which actually isn't a bad deal for 40 bucks. You get 10 tries of food.
10 tries.
10 tries of food.
They're called samples.
There's samples, tries. This is definitely bigger than a sample. I've never gone to the store and got a sample like this before. Thank you for coming to Sam's. Have a sample.
Have an entire foot long corn dog.
Yeah, this is definitely not a sample, but I'm not complaining. We will try to eat this and let you know how good it is. How good is it?
It's really hot.
It's really hot and delicious. So, pretty good corn dog. Let's go see what else we can find to eat. So there is one downside we found out about these passes here about the food, is that you have to use them all in one day. Unfortunately, I thought you could get it and bring it back throughout the whole event, but they say you can only use it on the one day. So I guess we gotta get stuffed today. So, number 2. We got the pretzel cinnamon bun. Man, this looks delicious. I'm gonna have to say, this is really, really good. I suggest this. It is over here by the pretzel hut. Or the pretzel kitchen, whatever it's called. Pretzel kitchen. Find that right past the pretzel kitchen. Enjoy. Alright, so here we go. What is this? Number 3?
No.
Yes.
Oh, number 3.
Number 3 that we've eaten. So we are going to try the chicken and waffles. It looks amazing. Chicken, waffles, syrup, bacon, and whipped cream. They had me at bacon. Definitely had me at bacon. I'll let you know how it was. Yes, and I almost forgot. We got this frozen hot chocolate. And these
kind of sounds like an oxymoron, but it's really good.
And at least it comes in a cool cup. Except I don't like the cup because it has no handle. But the cocoa is good.
It is delicious.
We're gonna go see some Rudolph and friends. Push the button.
What button?
That button right there. The one that says push here.
She thinks I'm cute. She said I'm cute.
All right, so we are here with the 5th or 6th item on the list here. Chocolate covered bacon, and as you can see, this thing is so big I can barely fit it in the camera. I have to hold the thing as far as I possibly can.
It's huge.
It's huge. This is so big. It'll be so good. And then she got the s'mores waffle cone.
Haven't tried it yet, but it looks amazing.
So that only leaves us 2 more spots on the card before the card's gone.
We will let you know how these taste when we finally sit somewhere and taste
Yeah,
them.
when we find a place to sit, for sure. So, I don't know if you guys can see this or not, but this is one big giant piece of bacon covered in sugar and chocolate. It's amazing. I don't know anything else to say other than that. It's amazing and delicious. I mean, you should get one. Or 5. Here we go. Some of the lights. Try to get as much as the lights as I possibly can.
It's so pretty.
So nice. I love these lights. I like how all the lights drip off the trees like that. It's cool. Trees down. Good. Here we go. Oh, the Christmas lights. Looks so awesome. I'll probably have to go through here and knock out all this music. Maybe I can put my own Christmas music to it. Yeah, I don't think we could talk over this loud intercom singing. Buy one, happy hour, buy one, get one free full-size mixed drinks.
5 p.m. until close.
Nice, that's a good deal. Now, the beautiful Infinity Falls. All decorated for Christmas. It's only a 5-minute wait because it's cold. I'm not going on that. This is cool. We could go now. I just wanted to get a picture of this. Can't see it very well, but it's almost nighttime. But this is the last dish. Macaroni and cheese with brisket. It was so far the best.
We've had it twice.
Had it twice. And there we go. The big Seaworld Christmas tree all lit up. Alright. Well, that looks like it's gonna do it for our fun-filled day at SeaWorld. We got to use this whole sample card, which I would say is definitely worth the money. Definitely worth the money.
Two people.
Two people could not eat all the food.
We're taking so much food home.
But it was pretty good.
Food's really good here.
Food's always good here.
Park's beautiful.
Park was beautiful. All the Christmas stuff was awesome.
Meeting Rudolph was the highlight of my life.
That'll
so
all
you know.
that'll all be in there. Hopefully be back around. I've been having car problems and all that, but now hopefully that's all fixed and we'll be back and bringing you more videos
On the regular.
on the regular. Definitely be back here to get the tree show at night, and yeah,
Thanks for watching.
I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoy making them. If you want to see more, please like and subscribe for more
Keep your
videos.
eyes out for a Christmas giveaway.
Oh yes, and we'll be doing a Christmas giveaway in the next video, so be prepared and be ready. Good prize given away. So
We're making a list.
and we'll be checking it twice. So
Be good for goodness sake.
Merry Christmas, later days.